Some furniture pieces try to solve one problem. This one quietly solves 5. The MAXYOYO folding sofa bed convertible sleeper chair is built for real life in small spaces. Apartments where every square foot matters. Offices that turn into nap zones. Reading corners that accidentally become guest rooms. It folds, stretches, rests, and waits patiently until needed again. At first glance, it looks like a low, modern lounge chair. Nothing bulky, nothing awkward. The footprint is modest, which is exactly the point. Folded up, it works well for reading, gaming, working on a laptop, or watching TV. Folded out, it becomes a single sleeper bed long enough for most adults and more than comfortable for kids and teens. The transformation is simple and surprisingly smooth. No metal bars, no clunky hinges, no instructions that feel like a puzzle. It moves easily from chair to bed and back again. Comfort is where this piece quietly wins people over. The cushion is filled with shredded foam rather than a solid slab, which allows it to mold naturally to the body. Pressure points soften, weight spreads evenly. It feels supportive without feeling stiff. Sitting feels grounded. Lying down feels forgiving. Many end up using it for naps more often than planned, which is usually the highest compliment furniture can receive. The included headrest and lumbar pillow elevate the experience. The headrest secures with a strap and buckle, keeping it from sliding around or ending up on the floor. The lumbar pillow supports the natural curve of the lower back, which matters during longer sitting sessions. Together, they make the chair feel intentional, not improvised. When used as a bed, the pillows can be repositioned easily for neck or foot support. The fabric deserves attention. The corded, rib texture gives it a soft yet durable feel. It resists snags better than flat weaves, making it friendly for homes with pets. It also looks good, clean, calm, the kind of fabric that blends into a room instead of competing with it. No strong odors upon unpacking, which is a relief for anything that arrives compressed into a box. Speaking of unpacking, this sofa bed arrives vacuum sealed and compacted into a dense block. It's heavy, and lifting it out of the box may require a second set of hands. Once freed from the packaging, it needs time. About 48 hours to breathe, expand, and fully regain its shape. This waiting period matters. Afterward, the chair becomes thicker, fuller, and noticeably more comfortable. As a bed, it performs better than expected. The length allows most people to stretch out without feeling cramped. Taller sleepers may still notice the edge, but curling up or using an extra pillow solves that easily. For overnight guests, sleepovers, or occasional use, it holds up well. Some even choose it over traditional beds for short-term sleeping. There are trade-offs. The back is low profile and not meant to provide firm upright support on its own. When used as a chair, it's best placed against a wall for proper back support. As a standalone chair in the middle of a room, it feels more relaxed than structured. Stability improves over time as the foam breaks in. What makes this piece work is honesty. It doesn't pretend to be a full sofa or a permanent bed. It's a flexible solution that adapts to the moment. One chair can be enough. Multiple units can be placed together to form a larger seating area. It works in dorms, studios, offices, guest rooms, and family spaces where furniture needs to earn its keep. This is furniture for people who value comfort without clutter. Something soft, dependable, and quietly useful. It shows up, does its job well, and doesn't ask for much space in return.